windows and doors. To add a door, click Add Furniture, Build, Windows and Doors, Doors. At the top, you'll find helpful door filters. Click Single Doors, then choose a color. Drag the item from the catalog to the plan. By clicking the rotation icon in the door menu, you can set the direction in which the door should open. Click the resize icon to set the size of the door. Set the size and click Done. Next, let's draw an additional wall to explore other door functions. Go to the 3D plan. By double-clicking on the door, you can enter the other room. Now, click Door, More Open. This function allows you to open and close doors. Note that not all doors in the catalog have this feature. If you click Door Type, you can replace a door with another one from the catalog. To add windows, click Add, Build, Windows and Doors, Windows. Set the filter and drag a window to the room. Click the resize icon and drag the resize markers to change the window size. You can also click on the dimensions to set the size more accurately. Click Reset to revert to the original size. To change the size proportionally, click Keep Aspect Ratio. Click Window, More, Window Type to replace the window. Click Window, More, Position to set the right distances from the floor, ceiling, and walls. To copy and drag a window to the external wall, use the same steps. Click Window, More, choose View to select a view image from the Select View menu. Choose from the gallery or keep the No Photo option. To add curtains, click Window, More, choose Curtains. Select curtains using the filters. Resize them by dragging the resize markers. Drag the curtains to the right position. Another way to add curtains is through the catalog. Click Add, Decoration, Curtains and Dividers. Drag one of the ceiling curtains to the room. Click it and rotate it. Drag it to the right position. You can also set the position of curtains on the 2D ceiling plan. Click Ceiling, More. Go to 2D to adjust the position of ceiling curtains more accurately. Additional, the Windows and Doors menu also includes additional categories you might need. The Arches section contains various doorway forms. The Opening section contains niches and window openings. The shutters section contains window shutters attached to the wall. Window sills can be placed under the window. Explore the garage doors section for different types of garage doors. The skylight window section contains glass roofs and windows attached to the ceiling. See you in the next lesson.